Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice radical equation. Cube root of 25 plus x plus cube root of 25 minus x equal to 5. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. If we take a cube of both sides, then this will become a complicated equation. And to solve that equation is too much difficult. So we use another clever trick to make the solution much simpler. We suppose that let u is equal to this expression cube root of 25 plus x, and we suppose that v is equal to this expression cube root of 25 minus x. If we take a cube of both sides, this will become u cubed equal to 25 plus x. And if we take a cube of both sides of this equation, this implies that v cubed equal to 25 minus x. If we add these two equations, this will become u cubed plus v cubed equal to 25 plus x plus 25 minus x. This negative x will be cancelled out with this positive x, and we are left with u cubed plus v cubed equal to 25 plus 25, 50. And if we substitute u and v in this original equation, we get the equation u plus v equal to 5. Now by using this algebraic identity, a cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b whole cubed minus 3 times a times b times a plus b. We can write the identity u cubed plus v cubed equal to u plus v whole cubed minus 3 times uv times u plus v. In this identity, we replace this u plus v and this u plus v with 5, and we replace this u cubed plus v cubed with this 50. So this will become 50 is equal to 5 cubed minus 3 times uv times 3. Further simplify, this will become 50 is equal to 5 cubed is 125, and negative 3 uv times 3 will become negative 15 times uv. Move this negative 15 uv to the left hand side and this 50 to the right hand side. Then this implies that 15 times uv equal to 125 minus 50. Further simplify, this will become 15 times uv equal to 75. If we divide both sides by 15, this implies that u times v equal to 5. And we recall the equation. We recall that this equation u plus v equal to 5. We recall the equation u plus v equal to 5. If we move this u to the right hand side, this implies that v is equal to 5 minus u. So in this equation, we replace this v with this 5 minus u. So this will become u times 5 minus u equal to 5. Distribute this u times 5 u, and u times negative u, negative u squared equal to 5. Move these two terms to the right hand side. This will become u squared minus 5 times u plus 5 equal to 0. Now, according to quadratic formula, u is equal to 5 plus minus the square root of negative 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 1 times 5 is 20 divided by 2 times a is 1. Further simplify, this will become u is equal to 5 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. Now, to find the values of x, recall that we have supposed that u cubed equal to 25 plus x. We have supposed that u cubed equal to 25 plus x. This implies that x is equal to u cubed minus 25. So x will be equal to 5 plus minus root 5 divided by 2 whole cubed minus 25. By using this algebraic identity, a plus minus b whole cubed equal to a cubed plus minus 3 times a squared b plus 3 times a b squared plus minus b cubed. This will become x is equal to 5 cubed plus minus 3 times 5 squared times root 5 plus 3 times 5 times root 5 squared plus minus root 5 cubed divided by this 2 cubed is 8 minus 25. Further simplify, this will become x is equal to 5 cubed is 125. 5 squared is 25, 25 times 3 plus minus 75 times root 5 plus 3 times 5 15, 15 times this 5 75 plus minus this root 5 cubed will become 5 times root 5 divided by 8 minus 25. Now this 125 plus 75 will become x is equal to 200 and plus minus 75 times root 5 plus minus 5 times root 5 will become plus minus 80 times root 5 divided by 8 minus 25. From the numerator we can factor out 8. So this will become x is equal to 8 as common factor in bracket left 25 plus minus 10 times root 5 divided by 8 minus 25. Now this 8 will be cancelled out with this 8 and we are left with x is equal to 25 plus minus 10 times root 5 minus this 25. This negative 25 will be cancelled out with this positive 25 and we are left with x is equal to plus minus 10 times root 5. It means that we have two solutions for this equation. X1 is equal to 10 times root 5, and second is equal to negative 10 times root 5. So these are the two solutions for this equation. This is the final answer of this problem.